Hello YouTube, it is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video on a 2022 Hot Wheels unboxing. Today we have the newest color of the 2017 Ford GT in green, and this is the Walgreens Exclusive. That's right, I stopped at a Walgreens and I actually found 5 of these. Of course I had to pick them all up, and I'm going to be giving some of them away to some friends. So this is the newest color of the 2017 Ford GT, really expensive supercar made by Ford, and this is really nice casting, interesting wheel choice on this one, and Walgreens Exclusive in green, kind of a fitting color, from Hot Wheels Turbo for 2022, number 9 of 10, and 157 of 250 on the year. And HCY70 is the number, and look at this case code, it says O instead of the case code, really weird code here. Not sure if that's like a store exclusive case or what, but 2017 Ford GT, Hot Wheels Turbo, crank up the boost. These turbocharged machines deliver maximum horsepower. 2021 copyright. I just picked this up yesterday, and today is March 9th, I believe. And yep, let's get this open. Really easy open there. Wow, very clean card I can keep. And this is the Walgreens Exclusive 2017 Ford GT by Hot Wheels. Wow, really nice. Great spinning wheels, bright green color. Look at that. It looks way better out of the package. What if I just did my thumbnails like this? This is really cool. Such a nice model with the black Trapezoid 5-spoke wheels. Beautiful bright green color. Nice double black striping. And painted headlights with the Ford logo. Really cool, clean design. And look at that, look at the door, look at that door kind of vent. I forgot what they're called, but door scoop or whatever. There's the back, really souped up back end. Nice supercar. This has a dark gray, kind of a black or dark gray plastic base. Casting says 2015. And here we go, nice hood scoops as well. Really nice model. Love finding the store exclusives, and this is going to be a great addition to the collection. And I've never seen the Ford GT with these kind of wheels. I don't know if I like it or not, but it's interesting. And there's the interior there, black interior. Driving is on the United States side. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Goodbye.